What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. I have a really quick unboxing of a pistol I picked up about 3 days ago. And the reason I got this gun was the price was unbelievable. I'm going to talk about the price in a second, but let's go ahead and get into the start of the show. This is the Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm version 2.0 compact. This gun has been out for quite some time. There was a previous version that had some issues, and apparently they fixed it in the 2.0. So what you get in the box, of course, is the gun. You got two 15-round magazines. You got 3 back straps. And then you have a little pinky extension. Now these things right here are not to be used with this magazine. These are for the 17-round magazines, so that it sits flush and you can use them with this version of the gun. So let's talk just a little bit about this. So that barrel is going to be 4 inches. This doesn't have the safety on it. Okay, so this is a striker fired polymer handgun with just standard 3-dot Novak sights. So I'm looking forward to shooting this and see what improvements they made from the previous version. I did have the first version and I sold it a long time ago, but we'll check this out and see how it performs at the range. So let's get back to that price point. So if you look for these right now, you're probably looking at about between $450 and about $500, depending on where you buy it at. I picked this up for about $345. So to me, that's probably the best deal that you're ever going to find on this gun. If you happen to find a better deal, let me know, because I like to know where that deal is at. That's pretty much it, guys. Quick unboxing. M&P 2.0 compact. I'm looking forward to shooting this thing. Full review coming in about a week. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.